just drop it. And then don't reel it in, just keep the bobber in the water and just leave it. There you go. Reel him in. Right. Yeah, he is. That's a big one. That's over 10 inches. And I don't think there is a size limit. Can you measure them?
Yeah, it's not a rockfish.
10 inches. I drop down. Now close your bail. There you go. Oh, get him. All right. Jesus.
What?
No perch.
Why doesn't he have the fin? Oh.
He's a little one. I'm gonna throw him back. And not bring him. You wanna kiss him? Good luck. Oh wow. Nice one. Oh, he's a keeper. Ooh, that's your biggest one tonight.
Okay.
What do you think? Oh,
You saw the hook?
no.
Okay. He's 12.
I think he's 11.
Don't be trying to cheat me.
We're
10.
10 and
Aw.
3/4, 10 and 3/4.
Okay.
I'm holding the pier. Got him. Get him. Oh, ah.
Got it.
Give yourself a little slack, bro. There you go. Let it swing to you. There you go. I might have a rockfish. I think I got a rockfish, Christine. Yep, definitely.
Hey, I don't know why we're moving towards over here.
There's rockfish pulling us. Oh, it's a big one. Definitely a keeper.
You got a rockfish?
Yeah.
Cool. Where'd you get him?
Right where?
We were fishing?
I don't know if I can catch him.
You need help?
Too big.
Yeah?
Oh, it's a huge one.
Oh yeah? No, are you
It's
messing with
It's 2
me?
feet long or 3 feet long.
Are you
Christine.
serious, Justin? I gotta see this. Is there anything I can do to help?
Nope, just relax, Dave. Don't flip us.
Oh my gosh. You get it on film?
Yeah, I did.
Wow,
Yeah.
great job, babe. Right where I was
I
fishing.
think he is.
I'm gonna say 25.
I'm gonna say 23, maybe 22, or I'm gonna say 22. I can't believe I caught him on this teeny rod next to all these pilings.
Yeah, that's great.
He's 24.
Oh,
Or he's at, nope, he's
25?
22.
Aw.
What did I say, 22?
Yep.
Look, just over 22 and a half. Longer than my ruler. Look, he's a 23. 23.
I want the spinner. They don't like the bobber. Yeah, but I'm better than you at everything mostly if I was to do it.
Well, you're casting excellent. You're casting like a professional. You're throwing right where you want to throw. Slow down your retrieve a little bit. There you go. Oh, get him. Get him. All right. Catch him. All right. Nice one. Caught him on the spinner right before we're leaving too.
Yay.
Got him. That's a big one too.
Can I get him off?
Huh?
Can I get him off
I
the
got him.
video? Aw. He's an 11.
He's at least 11. He's a nice one. Biggest one tonight. 11 3/4. You want to let him go?
Why?
We got enough fish, right? Let the trophy
What?
live. You want to keep him?
I'm not gonna.
We got more than we need to eat. We can keep him if you want.
the 11 3/4 inch. Why aren't we going to keep them?
Alright, we'll keep them.
Or should we let him live?
It's up to you.
Let him live.
Yeah, we let them catch them again next year, right?
I'm going to catch some more.
Alright, hurry up, 'cause we're going to leave in a minute.